Hi, teachers. I just wanted to show you how to create a Google assignment. For those of you who are used to using Google Classroom, this tool I think will help you a lot because you go about assigning a Google Doc or Google Slides or a Google Sheet if you want, the same way that you would in Google Classroom. So I've created a module here for this demo, and I'm just going to add an assignment, and I'm just going to call it Google Assignment. Okay, and then I'm going to add it. So let's go in and edit this assignment. For this, if I'm going to create a Google assignment and use the external tool Google Assignment, we need some directions to tell the students to click on the gray box, and it will open it in a new tab. Click on the gray box to open your assignment in a new tab. I would make mine a little cuter, but I don't want to waste time. Okay, so now what you want to do is come down here to Submission Type. And we're going to click on External Tool. Then click on Find. And scroll down with the inside scroll bar until you find Google Assignments. So I'm going to click on Google Assignments. It's going to take me to a new box. Oh, I have to switch my account. I'm on my husband's computer. Here we go. It's going to take you to this box. And this is where we're actually going to use the assignment settings like we do in Canvas. So in Google Classroom, you were able to attach or find from your drive whatever thing you wanted to assign to your students. Well, here you just click on Attach, and I think I will do, let's just attach one of my math lessons. So this one's on inequalities. Nope, that's a PDF. I don't think I want that. Let's see. Here we go. Here is a Google slide presentation. So I'm going to add that. And it says right here, each student will get a copy. Just like in Google Classroom, we could make a copy for each student. This is the default for Google Assignments. You can't change anything else. So if you wanted them just to view the doc, you'd want to just embed that in your rich content editor at the beginning where we said, like, click on the gray box. You can embed that doc so they can see it and not edit it. But here I want them to have their own copy. Okay. I could also turn on originality reports. If you are an English teacher and you're worried about them plagiarizing, you could turn that on so that Google will run its check. Now, here is important. This total points box has to match the points on Canvas, and you cannot put 0 here. So if you don't really want it to go anywhere, see, it won't let me put 0, just put 1. Okay, but maybe I want them to have 10 points. Then you can set your due date here, and you create your rubric here in the Google Assignments tab, not through Canvas. So you have to, if you want a rubric, you would have to create it here. I don't want to. Here we go. I'm just going to exit out, but you would create it here, and then it would link to that Canvas assignment. And then once you're done, you've attached, you've made sure points are going to match Canvas, add a due date, and then create. Then you are brought back to this, and you have to use this outside scroll bar. And then I always click on Load in New Tab so that they can see the whole presentation. Sometimes if you just load it right there in the rich content editor, they can't see the whole slides. So I just default to Load in New Tab, and then I click Select. And then I'm going to come up here and make sure my points match what I had put on my Google assignment. And then I could change my due date. I'm not sure about the due date thing, if that has to match too. I think I actually just used the due date here and not the one in the Google Assignments. And then you click Save. And let's go and see here, where's my modules, what the students are going to see. So remember, you have to make sure you publish that. I'm going to go to Student View and find my modules. And then I'm going to click on this Google assignment. So if you're a teacher and you want to see what it looks like, and you click on this load, this is what they would see. It's not very cute. That's why I would change it a little bit. Load this tool Google assignment in a new window. This is what you might see as a teacher. Let's see what happens. I'm already linked as an instructor. So let me just show you. I have my daughter on here. So this is what your students are going to see if they opened that Google assignment. It looks very similar to Google Classroom. So here's the assignment. They would open this, and then they would edit, do anything that you had asked them, right? We would want more instructions in there. But they can edit it, add more slides if they want, just like they could in Google Classroom. Then they just have to exit out of this and click Submit right here. And then it will show up in your SpeedGrader. So I hope that helps you create a Google assignment.